Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth XRP, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. XRP price prediction. Ripple set to go out the year with an 18% decline. Ripple price keeps slipping below vital supports. XRP is on its way in search of support, as the RSI is still not oversold. Risk comes with this last trading week to see a nosedive move of 18%. Ripple, XRP, price sees traders returning from the price action as XRP paints a blood-red picture after the last US data points. With the PCE deflator unmoved, the Fed is nowhere near done hiking and markets are set for a big reshuffle and rebalancing as they undershot the Fed's warnings. With that repricing for 2023, the risk now comes that more declines are in the cards, with another 18% losses at hand for this last trading week. Ripple price sees traders having a hangover. Ripple price is still letting the dust settle over the last data points of past Friday when the Fed's preferred inflation measure, the PCE deflator, came out. The week before that, US inflation numbers came down, but now the PCE deflator pointed to an unchanged moment in inflation. This means that the Fed will want to do more rate hikes to abate inflation, which means markets need to reprice, as several market analysts thought the Fed would be near its pivotal level. XRP thus broke below key pivotal levels such as $0.3616 and last week made a new low for December. More downside looks granted as there is no real support in sight now, together with the relative strength index, RSI, nowhere near oversold. A nosedive move could be seen towards $0.2875, which would mean an 18% decline and traders giving up the $0.3000 psychological level. With the last week of the year, no data points or Fed speakers are lined up to comment on the markets. This opens a window of opportunity for bulls to push price action higher. Indeed, with the thin liquidity conditions, Ripple price could jump 13% with the 55-day simple moving average, SMA, and the 200-day SMA as a double cap to the upside. Crypto market daily highlights. The Nasdaq delivers final hour support. The Nasdaq Mini delivered final hour crypto market support on Monday. With economic data on the lighter side, the Nasdaq index will influence today. It was a mixed Monday for the crypto top 10. XRP led the way, while Doge bucked the trend. Late in the session, the Nasdaq Mini delivered much-needed support. The crypto market cap rose by $4.92 billion to end the day at $774.86 billion. It was a mixed Monday session for the crypto top 10. XRP led the way, while Doge bucked the trend. Notably, BTC failed to revisit $17,000 for the sixth consecutive session. There were no crypto events to guide investors, with the news traffic on the light side during the holidays. However, news from the US delivered Nasdaq Mini and crypto market support in the final hour, UTC. According to MasterCard, MA, US retail sales increased by 7.6% between November 1st and December 24th, which is better than a forecasted 7.1% rise. Over the same period in 2021, retail sales grew by 8.5%. While down compared with 2021, the numbers were good enough to support riskier assets. Today, U.S. economic indicators will draw interest, with housing sector numbers and trade data due out. However, barring a marked widening in the U.S. trade deficit, the housing sector numbers will likely have more influence. Investors will also need to monitor the news wires for FOMC member chatter and crypto events that could move the dial. Following the holidays, the Nasdaq index will likely provide direction through the afternoon session. This morning, the Nasdaq Mini was up 82.25 points. Crypto market enjoys a Nasdaq Mini-fueled final hour rally. It was a mixed Monday session, with the European and US markets closed for the holidays. On Monday, the crypto market cap fell to a late afternoon low of $766.19 billion before making a move. The final hour surge saw the crypto market cap rise to a high of $777.11 billion before easing back to end the day at $774.86 billion. Supported by the Nasdaq Mini, the crypto market cap gained $4.92 billion on the day. XRP bulls to target 38 cents on sentiment toward the SEC versus Ripple case after a breakout Monday session. XRP was in the red this morning. Sentiment towards the SEC versus Ripple case remains the key driver today. On Monday, XRP rallied by 5.69% to end the day at $0.36587. It was another quiet session, with no updates from the SEC versus Ripple case to influence, leaving investor optimism to support a return to 36 cents. The technical indicators have turned bullish, with XRP sitting above the 100-day EMA, supporting a near-term rise to 38 cents. On Monday, XRP rallied by 5.69%. Reversing a 1.69% loss from Sunday, XRP ended the day at $0.36587. XRP ended the day at the highest level since December 15. Bullish throughout the Monday session, XRP rallied from an early low of $0.34565 to a late high of $0.36968. XRP broke through the day's major resistance levels to end the session at $0.36587. There were no updates from the ongoing SEC versus Ripple case to provide direction. However, the trend has become more bullish, with newfound optimism delivering much-needed support. Court filings fuel investor optimism in an XRP rally. While there were no updates, the court filings on December 22 reflected the SEC's fears vis-a-vis the William Hinman speech-related documents. The SEC sought to shield the Hinman speech-related documents in the filing of omnibus motions to seal all materials relating to the summary judgment motions. The court ordered the SEC to hand the speech-related documents over to the defendants in September. Before the ruling, the SEC had failed to turn the speech-related documents over despite more than 6 attempts to protect the William Hinman speech-related documents under the attorney-client privilege. Another court ruling against the SEC could force Gary Gensler to move toward a settlement. The latest news of FTX's relations with members of the SEC could give the SEC more reason to agree to a settlement. With the SEC looking to win the right to regulate the digital asset space, another crypto-related embarrassment could hand the reins to the CFTC. While investor hope for a favorable outcome delivered a bullish Monday session, investors are also waiting for a ruling on the summary judgment reply briefs, which will continue to test buyer appetite. As background, former SEC Director of the Division of Corporation Finance William Hinman said that Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, are not securities. The contentious issue with the speech related to Hinman's connection with Simpson Thacker, which is part of a group that promotes enterprise Ethereum. After leaving the SEC, Hinman returned to Simpson Thacker. XRP price prediction. Recovery could derail if this support gives way. Ripple is attempting an upside break above the $0.365 resistance zone against the US dollar. XRP price could fail to gain pace if it stays below the $0.3720 resistance. Ripple is currently recovering above the $0.355 resistance zone against the US dollar. The price is now trading near $0.360 and the 100 simple moving average, 4 hours. There was a break above a major bearish trendline with resistance near $0.3480 on the 4 hours chart of the XRP USD pair, data source from Kraken. The pair could start a fresh decline if it breaks the $0.3550 support and pivot zone. Ripple price attempts recovery after a major decline. Ripple's XRP found support near the $0.3320 zone against the US dollar. The price formed a base above the $0.3320 level before it started a recovery wave. There was a decent increase above the $0.3450 and $0.3500 resistance levels. Besides, there was a break above a major bearish trendline with resistance near $0.3480 on the 4 hours chart of the XRP USD pair. In the past few sessions, XRP price gained pace above the $0.3550 resistance zone, outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.